Hello everyone, my name is Balki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you are welcome. So you can see my background is different. I am moving into my house, okay? So when I came from Germany, my family and I were in a Airbnb. So we've been there for like a month now, and we finally found a house here in Texas. So this is gonna be our first house, our first home. Yes, so this is just like a little tour. So this is the kitchen. Texas houses are like really big. You're gonna see stuff on the ground, never mind. But yeah, this is the kitchen. It has like a, how can I say, like half diamond shape type of shape going on here. I don't know how to say it. But yeah, this is the kitchen. This is the fridge that has like a ice dispenser, and then this is what it looks like. It is quite big. So this is the freezer section. This is the fridge section. Yeah, it is really big. And then we have lots of cabinets. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a lot. And then we have the dishwasher here. And then, yeah, the cabinets are also quite big. Yep. So this is it. Got a chandelier, not chandelier. And then we have like an open way here. So this is like a patio, yes. And we have a big old yard for my brother to run around. Yeah, I love this lights thingy up here. It is so nice. Yeah, so this is the outside, and then to come in, it's like a, what is it, magnetic thing. And then lots of they also have screens, but lots of the windows are slide. I don't know how to slide this open yet, but yeah, basically like the same thing we have in Germany, they have it here. You pull it up to open it. Yep, so this is the living room. Yeah, it's quite big. The kitchen is there. This is the living room. And then this is going to be my room. Yes, it is also big. It's called the mother-in-law suite, but I have my own bathroom. I'm not a mother-in-law yet. I have my own bathroom. I have my own closet. Yeah. And then this is going to be my own bathroom. Yep. My own bathroom right here. I have lots of space down there, down there. This is me. I look ghetto, I look tired. Never mind. But yeah, this is my own little closet pantry thingy going on. Yep. And then this is going to be the second living room. It's also very big. There's like a chandeliers in every room, and this also has like a draw screen that you can pull up and down. You just have to do it gently or you're gonna break it. But yeah, door, it has a, one of those glass that's in churches. Yeah, church glass windows. Yeah, it's really nice. So yep. Okay. So this is the upstairs. Yep. So from the upstairs, you can see downstairs again. And this is going to be my brother's room. Yeah. It has a closet here. The closets are quite long. Yeah, his room is blue. This was going to be my room initially, but it's too boyish. Yeah. So yeah. And then from here, you can see downstairs again. And yeah, this is going to be my parents' room. It is the master bedroom. It is huge. Also has the screen windows. Yeah. And then this is going to be their bathroom right here. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. They have a little jacuzzi going on. They have a walk-in shower Well, all showers are walk-in, but you know what I mean. So this is what it looks like. And they have a walk-in closet. I'm jealous because I've always wanted a walk-in closet, yeah, because I have a billion clothes. I could start a boutique. But yeah, this is the walk-in closet. This is their little pantry cabinet going on. This is gonna be their bathroom. The bathroom is quite small, but it's, you can work with it. Yeah, so yeah. And then it's their mirror. It is huge. I'll be coming here to look at myself. But yeah, this is it. And then this is like another living space area. It's quite huge. So technically, I think it's like 3 living rooms in here. This is an extra storage space. And then this is going to be my sister's room. Yep. The sister's room. She also has a walk-in closet. Yeah. I think most American houses have walk-in closets. But yeah. This is going to be my grandma's room. She also has a walk-in closet. So I think she's the only one who doesn't have a chandelier. I didn't look at the other ones. But yeah, she has a walk-in closet here. Then she has a view over here of the backyard. My room is close to kids, to a playground. But yeah, this is going to be the bathroom my sister, grandma, and brother share. So yeah, they have a bathtub and a shower head. So you can take a bath or a shower. And that's the toilet. They also have lots of cabinet space. So yep, this is it to hang your towels. And they also have like, I don't know if I already showed this, the little cabinet space going on. So yeah, this is it. This is it. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. When we start decorating little by little, I will continue the house tour vlog. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you. Have a great day. Bye for now. Bye.